जय श्री कृष्ण. बायट इट. आयज नवरात्र चालू आसात. फाटल्यान आमच्या दांडिया तुम्ही पळयतात. आमी खेळपाकूय वयतले. तुम्ही खंयच वचनाकात. आमी खुबशे अश्यो वेगवेगळ्यो गजाली तुमच्या मुखार घेवन येवपाचे आसात.
आणि हय गुजराती जेवणूय आमी टेस्ट करतले. सो डोंट गो एनीवेयर. लेट्स प्ले दांडिया फर्स्ट एंड देन टेस्ट some Gujarati dishes. Let's go.
Navratri festival is one of the main festivals in Gujarat. However, it has gained zest in Goa with rising population of Gujjus. The Gujarati community in Goa is divided into taluka-wise groups. While each night's celebration of Navratri commences with puja, the twist in the grand community affair are the dances and competition. The capital city's Mandal has been hosting its 9-day celebration at the Mahalakshmi temple from past many years. The traditional Gujarati food is primarily vegetarian and has a high nutritional value. Gujarati cuisine has so much to offer, and each dish has an absolutely different cooking style. Gujaratis use a combination of different spices and flavors to cook their meals, and this is what makes their food truly exotic. Most of the Gujarati dishes are sweet, while others have a quite larger concentration of sugar as compared to salt and spices.
After super duper dandiya, as I promised you, we will taste some fantastic Gujarati food. So we are at residence of Komal Shah and she is going to show us some mouth-watering Gujarati dish. Welcome to our show.
Yes.
मैडम आज नवरात्रि के फेस्टिवल पे आप कौन सा डिश दिखाने वाले हो?
एक्चुअली हमारा ट्रेडिशनल गुजराती डिश है. एक्चुअली हम लोग ये राजकोट मतलब गुजरात के साइड है, जिस इसको टिपिकल काठियावाड़ी डिश भी बोल सकते हैं.
काठियावाड़ी
या इट इज सेव टमाटर का सब्जी. और इसमें हम लोग सेव इमीडिएट वी डोंट यूज मतलब हम लोग रेडीमेड सेव यूज नहीं करते. वो इमीडिएट सेव बना के उसको बनाते हैं.
Okay, sounds very interesting. Let's start.
Yes.
Can you tell us what are the ingredients?
Yeah, the main ingredients are tomatoes, basil,
Okay.
garlic paste, oil, and our regular masala, haldi, chili powder, dhania jeera powder,
Okay.
hing, salt and sugar.
Okay, fine.
Oil.
Oil. Huh? It takes a lot of oil.
Not much,
Okay.
just to properly fry the garlic and tomatoes. Garlic,
Garlic.
Approx 4 medium tomatoes.
Okay.
फिर इनको गार्लिक बहुत ज़्यादा लगता है.
हाँ, basically from Saurashtra side if you see, they use lot of garlic. But then it is also mandatory if you don't like, you can use little also.
Okay.
Haldi. Red chili powder.
तीखा रहता है डिश.
It will be sweet, sour and spicy.
Oh,
Because
wow.
of tomato it will be sour.
Yeah.
Chili powder and we'll put little of sugar.
Sugar.
Yeah, because it is tomato sauce. And as such if you see Gujarati dishes, there's always little sugar is there.
Okay. Sweet like.
Yeah.
Wetted now.
Almost you say 1.5 plus.
Okay.
Because we are going to cook the safe in this one. We are not going to
Oh,
fry it.
okay, okay.
Yeah. By the time it takes a boil, we prepare for the save.
Okay. Now for save you have taken
Basin.
besan.
Salt. Give the same taste.
Okay.
It will get soggy very fast.
Oh.
And somehow it is very fine, no?
Uh-huh.
So it will not give this taste. You have to start putting and it starts
Boiling. Okay.
Then keep on the slow flame and start putting it. I'll show you how to do it.
Oh, so we are not using any machine, nothing. We are just
You
using.
can use the machine, but then it will give very long ones.
Okay.
This will give a small, fine, nice one. So you have to start like this.
Okay. That's nice.
This time consuming and ready will save, but taste is really different.
Fry this thing in oil and then we add then.
Then it will not give this taste.
Okay.
Because this cooks gets in the same water of tomatoes and masalas what we have
Okay.
put. So that taste, they will take that taste
Uh-huh.
while cooking only.
This is something new that I have learned today.
Yeah.
Because cooking or preparing save in water is like something unimaginable to me. अविनाश म्हाका ती ज्या तरेन ती सेव करता पळय सिरियसली लायक द वे इट इज नॉट लायक शी इज युजींग एनी मशीन ऑर समथींग हो आमचो सिंपल सॉस आसा आनी आमचो शिताचो जो दावलो आसता झारो म्हणटा पुरयो तळता हे तातूनूय हे करपाक मेळटा इज व्हेरी सरप्रायझींग. Traditionally, it is cooked like this only, right?
Yeah, before they used to cook, nowadays girls have started using machines for the convenience. But still our mother and grandmother would prefer this only. If we tell them to use machine, they say, no, that is all hunger. They say, why do you use machine?
It's nothing particular that this much save has to be there or
So
something.
you can see the consistency, like how much tomatoes you are putting. According to that, you can take.
Okay. And as per one's wish also, if they want more of save.
Yeah. But equally, usually it is equal quantity.
Okay. It's nice when you prepare for small quantity. I think if it had to be in a bigger one, then
Now,
it.
recently they have catered for fully Gujarati menu.
Okay.
I prepare for almost 100 people.
Okay.
So we need the help of someone.
Yeah.
But we have done that also.
Okay.
Because we had full Gujarati menu. And even they didn't knew that we will use this tradition. They thought we'll be using ready-made save.
Even I think I read it on net that they prepare bhaji first and then they some people add the the ready-made save,
Yeah.
maybe just to save time.
Yeah, save time and somehow it is convenient, no?
Yeah,
But
true.
that will not give you 100% taste. The most important part is that in which you have prepared the save atta. You have to put little water and make all in that. Have to use that as a gravy.
Oh.
Yeah. So that will give you a thickening part.
I think most of the traditional dishes teach us that not even a single part of
So basically ours all goes.
I think our goans will go for rice with this curry.
Because I think much of.
I don't know why, but looking at the curry, I feel like having it with rice.
तो राइस से खा सकते हैं ना.
Yeah. As such, making chapati for Goan is like coming up. They always ask, do you make chapatis at home? He said yes.
We usually survive on our bread and uno and definitely rice.
You can see this becoming thick.
Yes.
Kept it safe. Because from childhood we are eating this.
Yeah, because normally what happens, people try to do some changes in the traditional dish.
Yeah, but that we can do with some North Indian dishes or but this typical taste. So, like there's nothing to change about.
Okay.
In itself it's very nice.